Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine in your houses, students. Okay, shall we come back to our lesson in accountancy? We are in the fourth lesson. Okay, we have learned how to prepare the journal entries. Now, the second process in accounting is the posting. Okay, that is called ledger. We are posting in the ledger accounts. Okay, so now we have learned what is ledger account and we have learned what is journal. So let us see the difference between journal and ledger. Okay, the first one is recording. In recording, how we record? Okay, so when we record, as and when the transactions take place. Okay, whenever the transaction takes place, we prepare the journal entries. Now we have made cash sales. Okay, so immediately we will make cash sales or cash purchases immediately. So as and when the transactions take place, the journal entries will be prepared. Okay, in the journal. Then when we make the posting in the ledger accounts, from the journal entries, they will post either daily, okay, at the evening, day, at the end of the day, or they may post weekly or fortnightly. Fortnight means in 2 weeks, okay, or maybe monthly also. Okay, monthly surely they will balance it. Okay, here either daily they will post in the ledger or weekly, fortnightly or monthly. Okay. Then stage of recording. What is the stage? Here we record first. So we can say this is the first stage. Journal entry is the first stage. Here posting is the second stage. After journal entries, we will post them. Okay. So we can say this is the second stage. This is the first stage. Okay. Then order of recording. In which order we will record? Okay. In order of occurrence. That what we have learnt. Which order? Chronological order. In chronological order. That means order of occurrence. Now 10 o'clock. Today 10 o'clock a transaction take place. Occur. We will write that one first. Then afternoon another transaction takes place. Okay, so in the order of occurrence or in chronological order, the journal entries will be prepared. But here the posting in the ledger will take place in which order? Account-wise order. That means today if we post that they will check the journal entry, first journal entry. What is the first account? That account will be posted first. Okay, so here posting is made through only by account wise. Okay. Then process. So process of preparing journal entry is called journalizing. We have learned what is journalizing, isn't it? So process of preparing journal entries or recording in the journal is called journalizing. Here that process of recording that process of recording the journal entries in the ledger account is called posting. Okay, journal entries we will post in the ledger. That is the process called. Okay, then facilitating preparation of trial balance. Preparation of trial balance. Next lesson is trial balance. Here it will not facilitate. Okay. Here journal entries we cannot from the journal entries we cannot directly prepare the trial balance. Okay, but this ledger accounts, they show as the basis for preparation of trial balance. Okay, they are regarded as the basis for preparation of trial balance. Then basis of entries. What is regarded as the basis for preparing the journal entries? What are the basis? The source documents are the basis. As per the source documents only, they will prepare the journal entries. But here, what is the basis for the ledger? Journal entries form the basis for the posting in the ledger. Okay, from the journal entries only we will post them in the ledger. So here journal entries is the basis. Here source documents are the basis. Then the last point, the net position. Net position. By preparing a journal entry, we cannot find out the net position of an account, isn't it? Or that of an account we cannot conclude how much we have received. Cash account, for example, how much cash available, no. But the net position of the cash account can be well known in the ledger account. Okay, that the balance will be there. The daily, if we balance the account, we can find out how much cash is available. Okay, so net position can be ascertained from the ledger account, but that is not possible in the journal entry. Okay, this one of the question answer. Okay, 3 mark or 5 mark. So you should learn all the differences. Okay, 7 differences are there. Now we will learn the next heading. Okay, procedure for posting. Procedure or steps. Okay, how we need to post in the ledger account. Okay, I will show one ledger account. Okay, otherwise I will teach you first the steps. Okay, first what is posting? That is what given. Okay, so what is posting? The process of transferring. Okay, it is a process of transferring the debit and credit items. Debit and credit items from the journal to the ledger account is called posting. Okay, so both debit and credit aspects of a journal entry are transferred from journal entries to the ledger account is called posting. Okay, from journal entry to the ledger account is called posting. Okay, very easy. Okay, so first what we should do, we have learned I will explain that one with the journal entry. Okay, we have learned the previous lesson journal entries. Okay, just one example I am taking, 10th exercise. Okay, here first we should locate the account. Okay, that is debited in the journal entry first. Okay, cash account. Now what we should do? Cash account, I told you there is a big book. Okay, maybe many pages will be given or separate book also they can maintain. So there in the ledger account, if that cash account is already opened, we have to check the page number in the index. Okay, then we can turn that particular page. But if this cash account is not yet opened, then we have to open a fresh page, both the pages. Okay, if it is like this, ledger account, both the pages we have to use. Here in the top we should write cash account. Okay, cash account we should write fully. Okay, that I will show to you. Okay, cash account. Okay, we have to write. Then we are going to post this debit one, cash account. So here we write we are going to post in the cash account debit side. So left hand side. Okay, left hand side we are going to write. There also one date column will be there. There we should write year, month, date. Then here we should write to Raja's capital account. This one will come here. Okay. This cash will be written at the top. So here to Raja's capital. Then this 3 lakh will be written on the outer column. 2 column amount column there. No. Here we should write. That is called posting. Okay. Debit item we have posted. Now in order only we have to post. Entry wise. Journal entry wise we have to post. After posting this cash account, this credit side of the journal entry will be posted. So we should turn to in the ledger account, we should turn to Raja's capital account. Okay, if already opened, we can refer that index page number and we can open that particular page. Otherwise, what we have to do, we should take that after cash account. The next page will be Raja's capital account. We have to write Raja's capital account. Everything fully. ACCOUNT. Okay. Everything fully we have to write. Here this is called credit side. Credit item. Isn't it? Debit one, credit one. So we have to post this one in the credit side. Credit side means right hand side. Okay. The date column, year, month, date will be written here. Then we should write one prefix will be written by. Okay, by the other things, by cash account. In the Raja's capital account, we should not enter this word, but the other part of the entry must be entered. So, credit side by cash account. Then we should write this 3 lakh in the outer column of that page, amount column. To amount column, the second column, the last column, we have to enter the amount. That's all. Okay, then what we should do? Next one. Next journal entry. Purchases account. So purchases account we have to open. Okay, like this we have to post all these journal entries 1 month or per day. One day maybe around 50 transactions will take place. Okay, everything they have to post. Okay, that is called posting. Okay, I have explained that one. Then now we will see in an illustration. Okay, when you refer on illustration, you will understand clearly. See, past journal entries for the following transactions and post them in the ledger accounts. 2017 June 1, Basu started business with cash rupees 50,000. Purchased furniture by paying cash for rupees 6,000. 7th date, purchased machinery on credit from Harish rupees 10,000. 10, bought goods for cash rupees 4,000. Then 18, paid insurance premium rupees 100. Now first what they have asked, past journal entries and post them. So both we are going to do. First one we should prepare the third lesson what we have learned. Okay. In the books of Basu. Then journal entries. One page only we have to take. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay. Then what is the first one? Date you write. You see year. Then next one month. Then from here we should write cash account data to Basu's capital account. Basu started business with the cash. Okay. Then 50,000 we have entered. Then second one, purchased furniture by paying cash. That one is here. Okay. Furniture we have purchased, so we should debit furniture account and cash account is going out by cash. So going out we have to credit. Furniture bought for cash. Okay. Then you see the amount is written. LF column will be written only at the time of posting. If there is page number. Okay, their page number will be there. That page number they will write here. We do not have separate page number, isn't it? So we no need to write that column. Okay, then 7th one. Purchased machinery on credit from Harish. Okay, so machinery account data to Harish account. Machinery bought on credit from Harish, amount written. Then goods bought for cash. Purchases account data to cash account. Okay, if we purchase machinery, there you should not write purchase. Okay, there machinery only. If we purchase goods only, we have to write purchases account. Okay, then paid insurance premium, that expenses, so we should debit the expenses, insurance premium. What is going out? Cash. Insurance premium paid. Now you see the account. Okay, you will see the full page. Here, cash account, you see, first entry is cash account debtor to boss's capital. So, cash account debit side we are entering. See, first year, then June, month, date. Okay, before that, after writing cash account, here we should write debtor, DR. That side, CR. Okay, this 2 pages. Here, 2 pages we have to use. Then, in the second entry, furniture account debtor to cash. Their cash is credited. So, credit side of the cash account we should write by furniture account. Then third entry, no, fourth entry, purchases account debtor to cash. So, cash is credited. So, credit side by purchases account. Then the last one also cash credited. So, credit side by insurance premium account. Okay, so they have asked us to simply post them only. So they have posted, they have not balanced the account. Then second account, first entry, credit item, boss's capital account. That one is credited. So everything we have to write, date, particulars, JF rupees. Date, particulars, JF rupees. Okay, so credit side by cash account, 50,000. Third one, furniture account, that is debited. So debit side to cash account. Okay, then machinery also debited. So debit side to Harish account. Okay, then Harish account is credited. So credit side by machinery account. Then purchases is debited. So debit side to cash account. Okay, then one more thing, last one, insurance premium account, that is debited. So debit side to cash account. Understood now? And we will do the exercise. A very small chapter only, this one. So you should know how to post. That's all. Preparing journal entries and posting. So we will do the exercise 1. Okay. 1. I will show first for you. Journalize the following transactions and post them to ledger. 2016 January 1 started business with cash. Paid into bank. Purchased goods from Ram for cash. Okay, they may ask this one for 5 marks. Okay, 3 entries. Then sometimes they will ask only one account to prepare. If they ask only cash account, we have to add that balancing, totaling balancing I will teach you. Okay. Now they have asked only to post them, no need to balance them. Okay. So now first we will prepare the journal entries. So how we should write in the books of nothing even, isn't it? So simply journal entries. Journal entries, 5 columns, isn't it? Date, here, okay, date, then particulars, then LF, then to amount column, okay. Debit, credit, rupees symbol, rupees symbol. Okay, first one, started business with cash. So we know first we should write the year, 2017 Jan 1. Okay, what is the entry? Cash account debtor. 2 capital. The person name is not given, so simply we can write capital account. Okay, started business. In short we can write. Okay, then draw a line. Then now write the amount 10,000. First debit side, here credit side. Straight to capital account. One entry over. Second one, paid into bank. So 5 date. Okay, here bank is the receiver. We should debit. Bank account debtor. Then cash is going out to cash account. First letter capital letter. Okay. Then A also capital letter. Paid into bank. Draw the line. Now write the amount 5,000. Debit straight to cash. This amount also should tally. Okay. Write correctly. Purchased goods from Ram for cash. So purchased goods means purchases. First date. Purchases account debtor. To cash. Cash only going out. Okay, payment we have made. So we should write that payment only. Then purchased goods for cash. Amount 1,000. Straight to cash. Now journal entry is over. Now we will use both the pages for the ledger account. Okay, we should write ledger accounts using both the pages. Ledger accounts. First account what? Cash account. Okay, so you write cash account. Both the pages we have to write. Okay, then draw the line. There in the accountancy notebook it will be given. Okay, pages will be given. Line will be given. First debtor creditor. Here CR we should write. Here DR. Okay, left hand side DR. Now divide that page into 4. First date. Okay, date, particulars. Then 1 LF, here JF, journal folio. Okay, then rupees. Again here date, particulars. Here this one only will take more time. For the exam you have to draw the line and you have to leave like that. Afterwards you can write. Okay, you have to do the posting first, then you have to write all these date, particulars, everything. Only the account name we have to write. Now you see cash account is debited. So we should write on the debit side as 2 capital. Before that we should write the date. Okay. Date 2016. Jan 1. Okay, 2 capital account 10,000. Okay. Then second entry cash account. We will see any cash. Here credit. So credit side by bank account. 5th date. Okay. Year we should write first. January 5. By bank account 5,000. Okay, then third journal entry cash there. So cash credited by purchases account. So date only date by purchases account. 1000. That's all, leave it. Okay. Now the next account we have to prepare. After cash account, capital account. Capital account. Write CR, DR, okay, date particulars JF rupees. Date particulars JF rupees. There two amount column will be there. We have to use the second column. Okay. Now capital account is credited. Cash account debtor to capital account. So the credit side we should write. So first we will write the date. January 1 by cash account 10,000. Okay. Now second and third one, that only one entry. Third one, bank account. Okay, so we will write here bank account. Bank account debtor to cash. So debit side. Okay, to cash. So 2016 January 5 to cash account 5,000. Okay, then next one, purchases account. Okay, purchases account. Purchases account debtor to cash. So debit side. Okay, we should write to cash. Date you have to write. $1,000. That's all. Okay, that's all. We have finished the posting. Okay. Okay, students, you might have understood. So you learned that homework for you. Okay, homework. Differences and exercise 1, illustration 1. Okay, these three you have to do. Okay, students, thank you very much.